after a while, there was no more me. It was all that bright, and I wanted to hold on to me, no? Parang in my, but I could not. I was no. It was like parang I was hearing a voice, let go. Just let go of yourself. And then, even if I had tried, I could not get hold of myself anymore. Even when you were touching me, wala ako. It was all in that brightness, no? In that shimmering thing.
I just felt, I saw myself. It's not clear. It's a very bright place, and I'm there, and I have light here and light here, and I was looking around me, and I could see both of you with light here and light here also, and it was very bright, like you said, and it was just coming out of us, and for some reason there was a phrase that kept on repeating itself to me, and then it said, I am loved and nurtured by the universe. Paulit-ulit na siya, I am loved and nurtured by the universe.
But this time I had such a feeling of warmth, and I could feel it physically. It was so physical, in my arms especially, and here in my chest, in the middle. Felt it, and then this gesture would make it even warmer, and it came to a point that it even reached my toes.
I saw that.
And it filled me up inside. It was just a peaceful kind of warmth that parang in front of a fireplace when it's so cold and you feel it, and it's just there, and the environment is the same. It's still cold, but I felt it for a long time. And then it would get cold again, and then I would get it again for a couple more times. So it was a good feeling, a feeling of comfort, of peace.